Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Logitech G Pro X Superlight not connecting in 2026. So first of all, you just have to make sure that your mouse is actually powered on. So you can turn it on and check for any kind of indicator light or movement response. Also ensure that it has enough battery by charging it for a few minutes. If it is on but not connecting, you can move to the dongle check. In it, you just have to simply plug the USB receiver from your PC, plug it back into the different USB port, preferably directly into the computer, and avoid using any kind of USB hubs as they can cause the connection issues. This is going to help re-establish the wireless signal. Afterwards, you just have to open the Logitech software on your PC, use the pairing or connection option to reconnect your mouse to the receiver, then follow further on-screen instructions in order to complete the pairing. Afterwards, you just have to simply restart your PC as well and check for the driver or firmware updates. The outdated softwares can prevent the proper connection. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.